Welcome students to the SRBPS virtual classroom program. I'm Prerna Rathi, your biology teacher. I hope you are making full use of our YouTube channel and learning through it. So students, today we are going to start chapter 16, environmental issues. In this chapter, we are going to learn about pollution, air pollution, control methods of air pollution, and specifically the control of air pollution in Delhi. Let us start with the basic definition of pollution. What do you mean by pollution? It is any undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological property of the environment. The factors which cause pollution are known as pollutants. There are 4 different types of pollution mainly that we have to discuss in this chapter. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and radiation pollution. Today's class we are going to deal with air pollution. Any undesirable change in the physical, chemical or the biological property of the air which makes it harmful for the human beings is known as air pollution. The most important air pollutants are the oxides of sulfur like SO2, sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, both monoxide and dioxide, oxides of carbon, mainly monoxide, smoke, smog, and ozone. Yes, ozone, if present in the lower atmosphere, is also a major pollutant. Let us discuss the effects of air pollution now. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen cause chlorosis, that is yellowing of the leaves, and defoliation. They destroy the leaves of the plant. They reduce the productivity and cause stunted growth. Whereas in human beings, the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen cause eye irritation, nasal irritation, chronic cough, bronchitis, and various other allergic responses. These oxides of sulfur and nitrogen react with rainwater and cause acid rain. They destroy the property and also have a very bad effect on the plant life. The oxides of carbon result in greenhouse effect. Carbon monoxide on one hand, if inhaled, is toxic for us. Carbon dioxide on the other hand, in a limited amount, is a useful gas. But in abundance, carbon dioxide causes extreme greenhouse effect, that is trapping off more amount of sunlight and hence causing heating of the earth, which will eventually lead to global warming. Yes, very good. Everybody knows about global warming. The annual average temperature will slowly increase, leading to melting of the glaciers, polar ice caps, submerging of the coastal areas, disturbed precipitation patterns, etc. The photochemical smog destroys the plant vegetation, and the smog combines with the fog. Smoke plus fog creates smog, which is also harmful for human beings. The ozone formed by the photochemical reaction of oxides of nitrogen and unburnt hydrocarbons at lower level are known as photochemical smog. Photochemical smog mainly consists of PANs and aldehydes. PANs are peroxyl nitrates, which are very harmful for us, and various aldehydes which when inhaled cause lung diseases. Now, let us see how we can control the air pollution. The first device that has been prescribed to remove air pollution is known as an electrostatic precipitator. It is an electric device to remove particulate matter present in the exhaust of thermal power plant. More than 99% of the particulate matter can be removed using this device. This device has electrode wires and stage of collecting plates. So how does it function? ये क्या करती है, जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उन्हें एक कोरोना मीन्स रेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के साथ नेगेटिवली चार्ज कर देती है. वंस योर डस्ट इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज, the plates, collecting plates which are positively charged will trap and will trap the dust particles. The dust is going to stay back, and the amount of smoke that goes out is clean gas, as you can see from the diagram also. The velocity of the air passing through plates is slow enough so as to allow the dust particles to fall on it. The next device that we are going to discuss is a scrubber. Scrubber is used to remove sulfur impurities from smoke. It removes sulfur dioxide from the industrial exhaust. In this device, the exhaust is passed through a spray of water or lime. The water dissolves gases and lime reacts with sulfur dioxide to form precipitate of calcium sulfate and sulfide. This precipitate will stay inside, and in turn clean gas as seen in the outlet will be released outside. The next device that we have to study is catalytic converter. Catalytic converters are the device used in automobiles for reducing emission of harmful gases. They use catalytic plates of platinum, palladium and rhodium as catalysts. As the exhaust emission passes through the catalytic converter, the nitric oxide splits into nitrogen and oxygen, not harmful. Carbon monoxide is oxidized to carbon dioxide, again not harmful. And the unburnt hydrocarbons are burnt completely to convert them into carbon dioxide and water. So basically we are converting the harmful pollutants into non-toxic pollutants which can be easily removed from the environment. The motor vehicles fitted with catalytic converter must always use unleaded petrol, as the lead in petrol inactivates the catalyst. Next is the auto fuel policy. In order to deal with auto fuel policy, let us discuss the control of air pollution. To control the air pollution in Delhi, all the buses were converted to CNG by the end of the year 2002. CNG has many benefits over diesel and petrol. It burns more efficiently. It does not leave any unburnt remnant behind. It is cheaper than petrol and diesel. It cannot be siphoned off by thieves. चोरी नहीं हो सकती, adulterate नहीं हो सकती, इसमें मिलावट नहीं आ सकती. Apart from that, phasing out of old vehicles. जो vehicles पुराने हो गए उन्हें system से बाहर निकाल दिया गया. Use of unleaded petrol, use of low sulfur petrol, use of catalytic converters, and an application of strict auto fuel policy which included the Euro 2 norms, Euro 3 norms, Euro 4 and now it is Euro 6 norms. This gives a specific value for the amount of pollution that is created by a vehicle. If this pollution is increased by that given amount, then the vehicle must be phased out of the road, that is, it cannot be used in daily use. Let us now recapitulate what we have learnt in today's class. Students, we have learnt about pollution, air pollution, causes and effects of pollution, the control methods like electrostatic precipitator, scrubber, catalytic converter. Then we learnt about the control of air pollution in Delhi. So students, I hope you learned and understood what I taught. Until next class, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Take care. Goodbye.